Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something that came in from, let's see here. Can we see it? Vero Engineering. Can you see that? All right. I didn't have time to cover it up, so we're just going to open this up and look right inside. So we'll look at that. That is a fancy something here. This is for the Nova. So let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. It even comes with extra hardware. All right, so this is a back spacer. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous, huh? Timascus. And then you got the clip. Oh, that's nice. All right, so let's get into this. All right, so what we need is probably a T8. So this looks like the screw that's going to go here. So that might change a bit. All right. And then this one over here. So let's see if we can do this relatively easy. I never put any Loctite on this one because I was planning on changing this, so glad I waited. Right. Okay. Oh man, I forgot to put that on. lose my little bitty pin? I did. Oh, man. All right, I'm back. It looks like I ended up losing that at some point, or it was never in there. Let's see. Does it even look like it was ever in there? Can't quite tell. That's a serious bummer. Well, we'll have to hope that it holds, right? So here's the new screw. I don't know if it needs to be different. Looks like it might be. Looks like this is thinner. So, yeah. Let's go with this. Yeah, we were missing this. There's a pin. There's supposed to be a pin in there. I remember one of my other Veros that I have that. So I don't think it had a pin in the first place. I just realized that. I can go back and look at my other videos of when I put skiffs in there. I did a video on that. If I did, I'll definitely see it, whether I had it or not at the time, because I did take it apart for that. Interesting. So we'll save this just in case we ever decide to, put it back or maybe sell the Timascus kit because somebody wants it and I'm willing to sell it at the time. You know what I mean? You never know. So there you go. Oh, there is no pin in neither of the titanium nor the Timascus clip. I wish I had read that earlier. I'm a dummy. Oh man, guys probably already commented about that below. So, well, there you go. Well, what we'll have to do next time is we'll get the oil everywhere here. Is we'll have to. So here we go. There's that beautiful Timascus. You see that? And there's a beautiful Timascus back spacer. Gorgeous in the back like that. All the way across. And the inside as well. Can you see that? So we can get a beautiful shot of that. All right, so let's zoom in because you'll definitely want to take a look. So here we go. There's that beautiful Timascus clip. Goes all the way around, inset right there. See the back spacer right there. And here is the back spacer all the way across. And then you can see the inside here. Get a nice shot there. Look at that. Wow. Just simply gorgeous, huh? Nice. All right. Made this super fancy. It's actually a really beautiful Timascus, I have to admit. That is nice. I do like it. Very cool. All right. So there we go. Okay, let me zoom out. Actually, you can take a shot of this like this. Let's look at it like this right here. We can do it a little bit like this, huh? Maybe a shot like that? I don't know. That look nice. Let's do a shot like this. There we go. What do y'all think? I think it's pretty cool. All right, there we go. That is the Vero engineering with the Timascus backspacer and insert. I think that's pretty cool. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the videos, the live streams. I sure do appreciate you guys out there. I'm very grateful. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down here as well so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all my channel members, a big, huge, sincere thank you. Appreciate you guys so very much. You guys allow me to do things much sooner than I thought I'd ever be able to do in the history of this channel. So I'm very grateful to you guys. Really, really do appreciate that. And if you guys have been thinking, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, I'd love to have you. I'd be honored. Please don't ever feel obligated, but I would be honored to have you. If you check out in the description down below, there's a link for channel members. I have 3 different tiers. We'd be honored with anything that you would be able to want to do or be able to do. As a 2 small ways to say thank you. One, I do once a month members giveaway. Usually it's a very nice knife. Make sure it's not just a budget knife, so it's an exclusive members only giveaway. And then secondly, I also do a channel member sticker. So anybody who becomes a channel member, email me with your name and address. I'll mail you a sticker. If you were a channel member, you've been a channel member, and you're currently a channel member, you've never asked me for a channel sticker, or you were a channel member before and then became a channel member again, but never asked me for a channel member sticker, email me. I'd love to send you a channel member sticker. I'd love to do that. Just email me with your name and address. That's all I need. So thank you. Thank you to all of you guys out there. A big, huge thank you. And then finally, if you haven't already, check me out on Robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.